Hi everyone, BigPicture just dropped a new update and at least one feature will absolutely change the way you track initiatives across projects. Let's jump straight in it. Let's start with the resources module because this one is pretty big. You can now enable vertical grid lines across all time periods. Currently, you can see that there are no lines in my current view, and as soon as you go to this eye icon to hit the view, you can now enable vertical grid lines and you can see them right here on the screen. Why does it matter? Because finally you can scan availability visually with this grid lines, right? So it's like Excel view. So in case you like this software, then it could be really helpful for you as well. Second enhancement, no more clicking through cards to find deadlines. In the board module, timebox dates are now visible right on the screen. So as soon as you click on those three dots to see more actions, you can see a time period where this iteration was planned for. Remember when I told you at the beginning that there is something in this update that's going to be super helpful? So yes, here's the one. You can now filter your data by Jira labels. This is the one you've been waiting for. Go to filters, custom ones, where select field is labels, and you can select a value. So let's say your organization is running multiple initiatives or strategic themes like Q3 cost reduction that span several Jira projects and teams. And now you can filter by a label that was added there, and you'll get to see all the tasks where they will be contributing this Q3 cost reduction, as in my example. So instead of creating, for example, custom fields or overly complex structures, you can now simply tag your tasks with those labels and then easily find them within BigPicture. It's really convenient, powerful. However, please remember that labels are prone to errors, so correct typing is key. Permissions and access. Admins, this one is for you. If you go to administration and security settings, now whenever you add someone to a box, they now get the app access instantly, automatically, if you get full rights. So they are going to become app users automatically. If you would go to the main level and the configuration on this view, then security sections allows us to add some roles. And with this release, sub-box creators on the main level now see global teams in read-only mode automatically. And also, if someone has already access to this app but isn't part of any box, you'll see a warning in the app administration security section. These small tweaks, huge time savers whenever onboarding or troubleshooting. So here's a quick recap. Grid lines for better capacity planning in resources module, label filters to find any context-specific info fast, timebox dates visible on board, and smarter access control. I am Marta Bojanovic and I am part of Genius Gecko company, where we help teams around the world get the most out of BigPicture and Jira. From onboarding to advanced setup and PPM process improvement, we've got you covered. If you found this walkthrough helpful, subscribe to our channel and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.